Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here, where I kind of get the feeling that a lot of you people don't quite know what to make of BareRose Garage, which I don't blame you. Sometimes I don't know what to make of it either. Here we build and specialize in numbers matching cars. Nothing but numbers matching cars. The numbers that match the ones in your wallet. Because the more you can keep in your wallet, the more of these cars you can keep out on the road where they belong. So come and join me on my journey through this channel here, where we're going to take you for the ride through not only Fords, like this 1958 Ford Fairlane that we're getting ready here for the No Name 500. That's the race before the race. We have already crossed over, but we're still pushing and pulling for everybody to make it to the No Name Nationals in Sikeston, Missouri, this coming September 30th and October 1st. For those of you who don't know about the No Name Nationals, well, let me cue you on a little secret. It's going to be the world's largest meet and greet of the widest variety of YouTube creator channels. Not only like this little bitty channel of BareRose Garage, but Uncle Tony's Garage is going to be there. David Vizard is going to be there. Those two guys wrote the book on exactly what my channel is about. How to get the most out of what little bit of investment you can put into it. And they are legends in the field. So if you want to join us on this journey to build this Ford, to get to drive the 3,200 miles all the way to Missouri from this little bitty town in Idaho, and then turn around and drive it all the way on back to Idaho, join in. It's going to be a heck of a ride. But my channel is not just about Fords. I got a 40 Pontiac out there that I'm waiting on. I got a 51 Studebaker Land Cruiser, the old bullet nose, you betcha. She's sitting over there waiting to get built. 53 Chevy, you name it. If you name a make and a model, it's probably going to be featured up on this channel, and I'll show you how to build it for as little bit of investment as you possibly can. Not only that, but we recycle everything we use the right way by putting it all back on the road where it belongs, bringing smiles to faces and just fun all the way around. So, in the meantime, reach down there, click the little button that says, you know, it's got that little bell on it or something. I don't know. I'm not quite sure what all it does, but somebody told me that it does some pretty cool stuff if you touch it. And hit that little subscribe button if you want to watch me get this big old Ford to Sikeston, Missouri in October. Well, first part of October anyway. And then send it down the track against somebody. That's coming in another one, and you'll have to stay tuned. So hit that little button so you don't miss a thing, and I'll show you how we get as much as we can for as little as possible. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. Now you guys, get your butts out there on the white one. I told you I'm not cutting this dang hood. Man, minions, you just...
Assemble the minions! This is going to be good! Light bulb. I'm about to do something that's very, very big. I'm not afraid of anything!